In this video, we're going to learn how to add a fade out effect to a video, which means making the video gradually disappear to black instead of ending abruptly. Fade out is commonly used at the end of videos to create a smooth and professional finish. Let's begin. Place your clip on the timeline and move to the end of the clip. Now move your cursor to the top right corner of the clip. You'll notice a small fade handle appear. Click on that handle and drag it toward the left. As you drag, you'll see a fade graph appearing inside the clip on the track. This graph shows the opacity gradually decreasing from 100% to 0%. The more you drag the handle, the longer and smoother the fade out will be. If you drag it only a short distance, the fade will be quicker. You can adjust the fade anytime by dragging the handle again. This method is quick, clean, and perfect for ending your videos smoothly. And that's it. You now know how to add a smooth fade out effect directly on your clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.